Do you ever wonder what happens when the police leave? Crime scene cleaners are private companies that handle the cleanup after the police are gone. Spaulding Decon is one of the nation's largest cleanup companies handling the aftermath of homicides, suicides, decompositions, hoarding, and much more. These are our stories.
They call us quite often to check out vehicles for them that get fluids of any type. More bio than anything. Most of the cars are drive-by shootings.
The mirror is cracked, the mirror is grazed, and it's grazed on the back too. Like there's a scrape right here. They must have hit it from this side.
I think they were thrown up on the way somewhere because that's like a hospital blanket. It's just literally right on the side of the seat.
What's up, bruh? Hey. What's happening?
How you doing?
I'm out here.
So we didn't get under here at all. Yo, so I was like, it's gonna suck to do a car job in the heat. And like by the grace of God, a cold front came through this morning and I'm like, thank God. Because last time it was brutal. But this one's just vomit.
Is there any blood in the vomit?
No.
It's just they threw up something red?
I think they were thrown up on the way somewhere because that's like a hospital blanket that's in there. So I guess they just threw up.
Is it all over? Or?
Nope, it's just literally right on the side of the seat. It should be an easy, quick job. Shouldn't take long at all. See how it goes.
Where are we at today?
We are in Brandon, Riverview. Are you sure it's considered Riverview? I'm pretty sure.
I was just messing around. I was just joking around.
It's.
I thought we were in Miami. Actually, I don't really know.
We're missing the beach. Collision center in Brandon, Tampa area.
Do you guys do jobs for these kind of things a lot, or?
We do actually. They call us quite often to check out vehicles for them that get fluids of any type in them.
What's the most common fluid? Do you get more like blood than throw up? Or?
More bio than anything. Most of the cars are drive-by shootings type deal. So
what's the game plan with this one? Just kind of cut it out?
Game plan with this one is, so it's on the seat cover itself. So thankfully the seat wasn't damaged at all. Take the carpet out, get the seat cover out, the blanket, wipe everything down, thoroughly disinfect the whole car. And that's pretty much it. It's only the carpet on the driver's side, underneath the seat, and underneath, like by your feet. So just like that little section, and that's it.
Are they going to try to resell it? Or?
I believe so. It's a 2021. Oh, wow. So I'm not sure if it's going back to the client or what, but I know it's a 2021, so it's going somewhere. Be a good day.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good shit.
Oh, so this happened, what is it, 4/22? It happened on 4/8.
So it's been sitting
there chilling.
Yeah, just been cooking
nice
in the heat.
It's been getting nice and primed up for us.
It looks like like melted shredded cheese almost. It looks like it's got blueberries in it.
You're gonna take the carpet all the way to the back of the seat.
Okay. So am I just getting all around to like up
it should be one piece.
Yeah.
Otherwise you're gonna have to just cut around.
Do you want me to cut around it, or do you want me to get the entire piece?
Try and take one piece if you can.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get a whole piece, but I'm saying you want me to go all the way up to the front, cut, and then just go straight back.
So in the front, once you get a piece where you can hold, it will pull out.
Okay.
Like it's not stuck to anything.
Yeah, it's like
stuck underneath the plastic.
It's kind of like removing regular carpet.
Yes, you just have to get that.
There's ants all in it, crawling in the throw up.
Oh, I see it.
They're having a little ant party. Dude, I love ants. Ants are cool. I mean, that's disgusting, but
Get that.
It's not surprising to me somehow.
What, ants?
So you love ants?
Dude, I love ants. I love bees. I love spiders. I
love
you
bees.
May have to
I'll give you bees.
They have organization. I like termites too. Just not in my house.
Hold on. Leave the seat forward. Let me.
Absolutely.
You might have to ask people at the body shop for the bit.
You could do that at the Chevy.
Right,
remember?
Yeah.
No, the pose that you're in, it's like paint me like one of your French girls. And like fucking
Like Rose from the Titanic?
Yeah.
Put my hair down. Yo, if someone would do that, I would pay for it.
Yeah, paint Fiona like one of your French girls, please.
Yes.
I need a
But don't name it French because you know, it's just a given that the British and the French just don't do that. I would go like here. That should cover it all. See if Thad can get the bit.
Oh, to remove the seat?
Yeah, removing the car seat is actually the most like longest part off a car bio. It's just the mechanics like involved with it. Especially with it being a new car, you have to be extra careful with the airbags that's in the seat. You can't trip the wires, otherwise the airbag goes off and everyone's screwed.
Airbag's already off.
Once the seat is out, it's like smooth sailing. It is a walk in the park, bing bang boom, get it done. You know, it's just getting the seat off.
It hit some over here too. Like there's the mirror is cracked, the mirror is grazed, and it's grazed on the back too. Like there's a scrape. Right here. Right here. They must have hit it from this side. Looks like my mom's car.
Sliding in.
It's because don't worry. He's got
That too. They got a wider flathead. And I'll try that. Like the biggest flathead that they have in there.
I wish I was at the beach right now.
Look at me, guys. I'm helping.
I could go for a beach day.
Dude, that would be awesome. Spaulding Beach Day.
We're gonna have to cut the carpet out. I mean, it'd be easy to do is just go right here and just all the way around. But small hands, that's where you come involved. You know.
Yeah, no.
I got it at Target. It was on sale today.
Really?
Buy one, get one
I got
free.
2.
Buy one, get one free.
Put the map back.
Yeah. But since we're not removing any screws or nothing, I'm just gonna just leave everything. That's that. So I'll just remove that.
Put it right
Cut that
on top.
out. Yeah. Just go
Yeah.
from there. All right, cool.
All right, call me if you have anything.
Yeah.
See you guys.
We're gonna steam all that stuff out. We're gonna tear out the carpet. I'll show you. Spray a shockwave the door down really, really good. We'll do like panel all the door. We're gonna do the trim, okay? Console, steering wheel, all the handle, and I'll push this forward. You see all this?
Yeah.
So we're gonna clean all that with the shockwave in there. And then once it steams up, we'll steam all this, cut this out, done deal. I'll let you do your do.
So you want me to wipe it down after?
Yeah. I'm gonna wipe down this. I'm gonna soak this down. I'm gonna let the sun cook it, so that's kind of working in our favor. And just go from there.
Good. Oh, all right.
Giving me all this praise, shining right on your boy. Because he knows I'm so thankful, very blessed, man, super fortunate. Hope everybody out there in Spaulding Decon world, hope you're having an incredible day. Wake up feeling dangerous.
I don't like knowing this knowledge, but I'm gonna share it with you guys because I figure it's better that all of us know. There's blueberries in this and I can smell it. That's disgusting.
What's good, G?
I smell blueberries.
You got regurgitated blueberries, you say?
Yeah, it smells like he ate like something blueberries.
Maybe a parfait? You know your boy likes some parfaits.
Dude, so do I. Don't ruin them for me.
Love those parfaits, too. Parfaits and partays. This is up close and personal, people.
It'll pull out. Just let me get up here first. I thought it would pull out.
That's fine. Just go right along that line. Yeah. And what we're gonna do, watch your elbows, pull all that up around there. Here, give me the blade. I'm gonna pull that up right there, right around the gas tank and everything. Do you need to cut around that?
Yeah, I need to cut
Okay.
around it. It's not gonna come up.
Watch the blade.
I know.
Good deal. That was good. You're doing great. Good. Sweet. Give me the blade. You got to say it. Scalpel?
Scalpel?
Yeah, doc.
I think this surgery is gonna be a success.
Good. That's good. I knew they would make it.
You
Beep.
concur?
Do you concur?
Concur.
I reckon.
Blade. Thank you, doc.
There's a stuck spot right here. What is this? There's like a little dot right here.
That's a little pop out. You need a flathead?
I think I do.
All right.
Oh, flathead? I was gonna say, what? I was thinking of what medical thing kind of looks like a flathead, and I was like, you know what? I don't know if there's any. There's another pop out over yonder. Do you want me to cut around it?
Yeah.
Scalpel! Stat! That's gross.
If you need some help, let me know.
I got you. I genuinely hope this person's okay, though.
Still need some right here. Let me see.
That's what I was going for. I'm trying to get as even around it. They're just gonna take it out anyway. There's no point.
Yeah, they're
There
gonna
you
have to redo the whole thing.
I was trying to be like, you know, as careful.
Neat as you can.
Yeah, I'm a perfectionist.
I mean, it looks better that way, even if they are doing the whole
Do
thing.
the other side, and you should be good. And I'll lift the seat. That way you can try to get as far as you can. Man.
I gotta get like under it though.
Yeah. I'm gonna scoot the seat all the way forward, so that way you can come from the back seat.
I see a lot of comments that are like, why don't you like just gross them and like cut it, like get in there and cut it. It's like, do you not see what I'm doing?
She don't play.
Got my leather jacket. I'm coming for you.
Oh my God, that girl fly. Push this forward. Perfect, and pull that bar. Griff, thought I'd never tell you this, but it's time for you to hit it from the back. Let's
HR!
I'm telling Mom.
Mom,
Let me-
Griff's doing it again.
Let me arch my back.
She's hitting it from the back again.
What's that one song about like cupcake?
What? What are you talking about?
Oh my God, you've never heard that song?
What?
I have to send that to you.
What are you talking
I
about?
forgot what that song.
Cupcake? Is that what you say, cupcake?
Yeah, there is like a.
I don't know nothing about no cupcake.
Oh my God, I have to send it to you.
But if you do want to get your boy a cupcake, I like them foam
Dude,
fatty joints.
I love cupcakes, man.
So you're eliminating your bread.
I'm eliminating the bread, but I'm saying I do like a good cupcake
That's
every
what we
now
gotta
and
do
again. I haven't had a
after
cupcake in a minute. What do you say?
That's what we gotta do after this job. We gotta go up to like Walmart and grab a cupcake. Grab a thing of cupcakes and just like
Publix got their cupcakes on fire.
Oh, dude, I'm telling you, it's not gonna look very.
What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to get in the floorboard chest down, and you're gonna have to stick your arm all the way up under there to get that piece.
Okie dokie. I'm about to go exorcist up in this motherfucker.
Hey, she ain't playing.
Why you gotta be like that?
If you get that part on the inner, like right in here where the seatbelt is, if you get that, you're gonna have to stick your right arm up under there to cut that. So that way we can just slide it to the front.
Like J-Lo, we gonna have to get on the floor. That's Jennifer Lopez and Pitbull. I will send you that song because I guarantee you Pitbull's in that song. Dude, that song was like fire when I was like 12. Because I guarantee you Pitbull's in that song.
I kind of know the beat, you feel me? Your boy came front. I came front. I be knowing the beat.
12.
I do like me a good J-Lo. Bag.
That's what I'm talking about. I might get stuck. That's what I'm talking about. There's a hole.
And he didn't listen.
I make mistakes.
Said, let me come in here, just rip this shit out.
Women are always right.
They're fucking not.
They're always right. They are in my world.
I will argue with you until the end of the day about that. They are not.
They're always right. That's how my mom raised me.
Because she was always right too.
She was always right. Gonna have to.
Get the generator to work. Yeah.
Look at that, Bill. Leash great.
I don't know why I'm using indicator for this. I just wanted to see if there's anything like any little nasties.
I think that's a good call.
Sometimes if you like mix indicator and like it makes it a little bit easier to clean up. But then again, there's nothing really stuck anymore. I mean, the only difficulty is getting the stuff down here. Okay.
Scoot the feet forward if you need to. Get all the way up under there and there. Popping.
I get it popping. You want get your car detailed by a certified biohazard cleanup person thing.
She'll at the very least make it sanitary.
That's right.
Damn right.
She knows what she's doing.
A lot of people like.
Why would you want to get your car detailed by a face like this? Look at this. Of course. Come on, people.
I actually like every time I detail a car, I get really good ratings. So
You should get good ratings. You're the GriefFIN. Why would you not? That's what I would ask people.
indicator. Ha! I'm reading now.
Indicator? I hardly know her.
I love that. That was awesome.
Thanks.
I hate jokes like that are really stupid, but I think they're the funniest things ever.
My stand-up's out of practice, but you know,
yeah.
when you got it,
standing up-
you got it.
I think you're standing up pretty well right now.
Aw. Oh, distinguished.
Distinguished gentleman. Okay.
We good, G?
We Gucci.
Let me pick up.
We needed some wheel shine and some wax.
Some wheel shine and wax, and she's on point.
Yeah, don't ever do that again.
That is like, okay, you see like that condensed into 5 seconds is like what I am like for an entire video. We'll hold hands.
We're teaming around this part. Oh, we really should like hold hands and be like, just stand, just super like, don't even smile.
Like-
we're done with this.
Like the
We're like this. We're done with this cleanup today, and
you're like the twins in The Shining.
Yes. Come and play with us.
we did a lot of cleaning today as far as disinfecting and cleaning up all the bio, all the vomit's gone, all the blueberry smell is gone. I think we did a really, really excellent job.
We did a good job.
We did a really good job. We're signing off. From G-Dog to your boy Thaddeus, we're out. Like they say in the old country. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of the next episode.
For more information, visit any of our locations.